Hello kitchen queens and kings. Today we are making cheesy potatoes. It's an easy recipe but really delicious. And the best part is, for this tasty amazing recipe we only need two ingredients: Amul cheese slices and boiled potatoes. So let's quickly start making it. So here I have 4 boiled potatoes which I have already peeled, and we need to cut them in slices. We will not cut the potatoes in very thin slices, we will keep them on thicker side only. And just like this one, we will cut rest of the 3 potatoes also. And here we have a plate full of boiled potato slices. So let's move on to the gas burner. They are ready to cook. And here on gas burner I have kept a non-stick pan, and we will grease it properly with 1 tablespoon butter. And now we will make a layer of potato slices on pan like this. And we don't need to cook them on low flame, we will keep the flame on medium to high only. And we will let them cook till they get crispy or golden in color. And it's been 1 to 2 minutes. Let's flip all the potato slices. We need to make our potato slices crispy and golden from both the sides. And as our potatoes are already boiled, it will not take very much time to make them crispy. It will just take few minutes. And our one batch of potato slices are done frying. Let's take them out in a plate. And we will repeat the same step with rest of the potato slices. If you have a big pan, you can fry all the potatoes in one batch only. And our potatoes are ready, so let's move on to the next step. On the same pan we will add 1 teaspoon butter, and butter has melted, so now we will add 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Let's mix it properly, and we will spread this butter on the pan evenly. And now in a layer we will keep some potato slices which we have fried just now like this, and sprinkle some salt and pepper on the potato slices. And now let's keep more potato slices, rest of the potato slices, sprinkle some more salt and pepper. And our potatoes are already fried, so we are keeping the flame on low only. And now we need to cover our potatoes with cheese slices. So here I am using 3 cheese slices, but you can use as many as you want. You can make your cheesy potatoes as cheesy as you want. You can use up to 4 to 5 slices of cheese. And after covering the potatoes with cheese, you can sprinkle some Italian seasoning or red chili flakes on it, which is completely optional. And now we will cover our pan with lid for just 1 to 2 minutes on low flame, so that the cheese gets melt. And it's been 1 to 2 minutes. Let's uncover the pan, and you can see our cheese has melted on potatoes and they are ready to serve. They're smelling so good and looking so delicious that I can't wait to taste them. You also try this recipe at your home as soon as possible, because I know if you'll try this once, you are going to become fan of it. So tell me in the comment section, how did you find this recipe? And for more such easy, tasty and quick recipes, subscribe my channel and tap on the bell icon too, so that you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So that's it for today. We will catch up again really soon.